stylus to navigate our phone or making doodles make us a little bit of rich feeling, gives us a rich feeling, but there are many retailers who are selling styluses, but they are quite expensive. But why to waste money when we can make it of our own? So here this is Rasmin, and today I will show you how to make a stylus in just a few minutes. All you need is just a pen, which is of 10 bucks. Okay, there are other videos which makes you show make stylus with such scissors, copperware, sellotape, but we all don't need all this. I will just use it with just a cotton ball and some water. So let's get started. Here I will use my old metallic pen, which is old metallic pen. It's already used. You can just get it from any stationery store. It won't cost you more than 10 bucks. So we will just for making a stylus, we just need cotton balls and water and a pen, not more than that. So first of all, let's open it. We don't have to refill. We don't have to remove this, okay? Because I just want to give it a little bit of weight to the stylus. Otherwise, it won't look real. So first of all, I will just open it, okay, and take a little bit of a small cotton ball and just dip it, wet it a little bit, okay, and then make sure the water is out. Then we'll just roll it inside, push it, okay, then push it with the liquid. Make sure the ball. Okay, we'll push this cotton till it comes out. Okay, with this liquid. So it's okay. It came a little bit out, so it's okay. We don't have to push it all. Okay. Then we'll just put it back. Now it's all ready. So it's already done. So let's test it once. Whoa, nice. So it's working for me. So just try it once, make it, and just let me know if it really worked for you too.